welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are in the kitchen and we're talking about our DIY kitchen cabinet painting project. I'd like to share some tips that worked out really well for our project, and hopefully you can use them for your project. Now, if you're looking for a professional finish for your DIY project, you need some professional products. We used a very high quality self-leveling paint. It's the advanced line from Benjamin Moore. Now, there's other high quality self-leveling paints out there, but we had great success with that, so we do recommend that. And we also used professional applicators. We had high quality brushes and high quality rollers for our project. So when you're shopping at the hardware store or the paint store for your project, make sure you're buying the right product, even if it costs a little bit more. Now, the most important part of this project, like any painting project, is to prep the surface properly. To prep our kitchen cabinets for paint, we decided to use deglosser. Deglosser, or sometimes called liquid sandpaper, was the perfect product to rough up the surface to prep it for paint. Now, check out our video. It's quick and easy, and we're going to leave that link in the comments, and you can see step by step how we deglossed our cabinets. Now, in between each coat of paint, you're going to use a sanding sponge. This will prep the surface for the next coat of paint. The sanding sponge is also a great tool to use to take out any imperfections like drip marks or excess paint from the previous coat. This project is not that difficult, but it's a very tedious project, so you need a lot of patience. It's a lot of painting, it's a lot of sanding, and you have to be patient, and you have to really take your time on each coat that you're applying to the kitchen cabinet. Now, the first two coats of paint we applied while the doors were off of the cabinet boxes. That's pretty standard, but we found it much easier to manage the project when we put the doors back up on the boxes for the final two coats of paint. So I hope these tips for a DIY kitchen cabinet painting project were helpful. Remember to prep the surface well, use high quality products, use the right rollers and brushes, and take your time. It's a very tedious project, but in the end you get dramatic results. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.